So every fishing mission has to start with an act of good deed. And in this case, we're up on the roof here in Yankeetown, and we've got this giant trough of junk here that we've got to clean up. And the last time I did this, I almost amputated my fingers going down a faulty ladder. Not gonna let that happen again. All right, here's where I got in some trouble last time. I almost amputated my fingers. Still can't wear my ring anymore. I gotta get down this ladder without this defective thing coming apart and sliding. Wish me luck. If you see a fishing mission after this, I was successful getting down. Okay, we're gassing up the pontoon buggy. Yeah. And we're complaining about the newfangled gas cans with their weird...
You get your right-hand fingers in the picture, maybe?
No. Okay, we're out in the Withlacoochee here.
Caught about 20 redfish.
And
trout.
trying the Withlacoochee first.
No keeper redfish.
Very low tide today.
A big one.
This is Ed, by the way. Welcome to the expedition, Ed. All right, that flatwater fishing turned up nothing. So we're going to head out toward what we have affectionately labeled as Redfish Island. Hopefully there'll be something there today. The wind's blowing off the shore today, so shouldn't be too wavy out there, but there's still a lot of wind waves here right in the river. That's because the tide's coming in. All right, we're gonna ram Redfish Island this time. The depth gauge is going nuts. Here it comes. Wow. Before it was underwater. The anchorman. Anchorman! The anchorman is about to toss the anchor, such as it is.
How come we're not moving?
Hey, if I go stand in the back, will that let us go higher?
Can't go any further.
Too late. All right.
Your spare shoes, didn't you?
I did.
I didn't. Yuck.
It took me 2 days to dry out my good shoes last time.
Well, there it is. We're anchored to the island. And everybody but me has waded ashore. So I got a sore toe and I don't want to get it wet in this biologically active water. Now there's the definition of solitude when you're fishing. Oh yeah? Big hit. And I got a bobber going out there with a shrimp on the end of it. And our captain reports a big hit. That's a good sign. Our neighbors over there are catching fish, but we're not. I did see some stuff jumping. It's probably mullet. So I'm having a snack break. And the wife picked up this little package of wonderfulness that I lived on when I was a kid. All right, the boat drifted close enough to shore I could jump out without my tootsies wet, which is great. Here's our intrepid fisherman. He's also got the mullet net here on multi-acre sized Redfish Island, which will go underwater in about 3 hours. Well, the mullet net has been successful. Of course, this guy is only about 6 inches long. They could be smoked, and they taste good. All right, I'm holding somebody's net here. I mean, line. Well, he's messing with his mullet thing. It's a live pinfish out there. All right, going for mullet. Whee! Ah, crap! Back to tossing school. All right, we're pulling in another net here. See what happens. Anything? Nothing there. All right, we just took a toss in a new spot. And we got ourselves a blowfish, as we call it. What do they call them down here?
Puffer, maybe?
Puffer. Be careful, those.
Have you got
I have no tools, no gloves. Be careful, those guys. Who knows what's on the end of those little prickers.
Boy, they were nasty.
Really stuck, huh? All right, we've moved off of Redfish Island, and we've moved over to this little camping island. And there's a little bit of still water. There's some people over here earlier who were snagging stuff left and right. So we're all in the water. Fingers crossed.
How come your line
Fred's
comes
got
out,
something.
out of the second spool thing there?
And here comes the shrimp boat.
Oh, it's tangled on the end of my
Oh, get your fish in first.
Or my pole broke.
You want to get them back? Is he still on?
Yeah, he's still on.
It's a ladyfish.
Shrimp boat coming. Where is he?
Right over
I
to the
think
left.
your
Toward
drag
the-
your drag is just
I hear it, I hear it.
here. Give me the tip of your thing. I'll untangle it. You sit there.
You got a tangle here. It always happens. You get a snag and a tangle right when you got a
Tangle and
fish. That noise is a shrimp boat passing by.
Take a picture of the shrimp boat.
Now this is more exciting. This cork is still out in the water bouncing around.
All right.
Okay, now you're back in business.
Thanks.
Get that boy aboard. Uh-oh.
Cool.
And there he is. Hey, you're hiding him.
Friday night.
Not with a ladyfish.
Yeah, he's going back. I've had
Fred
my
has tried every which way to eat those things. Grind them, boil them, pressure cook them. They're all hideous.
there's so
Big
many
pile of bones.
Hardly even. Just through his lip. Oh, everyone's going to be so upset.
Why don't we
He
cut
almost
them
gouged
up into
his eye
chunks
out.
and use them for bait?
Okay, baby, I got something. It's a big one. I'm pulling it in. Woohoo! Look at that. I got me a toy fish.
Throw it back out. That's bait.
Yep, he's just going right back out like that. All right, it's the bait. Is he well hooked?
I'm gonna go right up to this corner.
All right, we haven't caught much,
We'll fish.
with the
I see
exception
some
of.
action here where the water turns rough.
We're gonna move in a little closer to the island here.
Don't go around the corner.
Try to get a little closer.
Oh, this is. All right, Fred. Anytime.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Here we've drifted over to the island here, but haven't caught anything, so we're resorting to extraordinary measures here.
Would you sit back on that next seat? And then I won't
I'm gonna throw net here. Some other fishermen giving up there.
Yeah, I just felt. Don't see the bite.
All right, got it all gathered up, ready to rock. Whee! Oh, that was pretty good. But is there anything down there? Anything?
Fish here.
Nothing. Nothing, honey.
Yeah, over there.
Well, there was a lot of bait type stuff leaping and jumping here, but it just wasn't anything sizable or anything very interested in our hooks. Okay, so we're watching the fishing boat go by, and here comes the tsunami. Oh, big tsunami. Woo!
It's like,
All right.
I'd be afraid to even take that from the dock.
Even if we didn't catch anything, it was a good day on the water.
We had a lot of good
At
stories.
least that's what I'm telling myself.
Yes.
back in Yankeetown. Everything is hunky-dory. No fish to take home and eat. Trip summary. Perfect weather. It's actually cool here by even northern standards. We're dropping into the 60s, it feels like. Caught a couple of little fish. Enjoyed some fresh air. And that's it. Good night, everybody.